Happy Earth Day! We're here at SEA Airport celebrating our beautiful Earth with people from our environment and sustainability team sharing about all of our different programs.
And we're playing a plant matching game here. These are many of the species that we find around the airport in our forest and wetland areas, and they're a mix of native and invasive plants. Many of them we plant and some we just find around the area. And so I have these flashcards that have some context clues as well as the common name of these plants. And so this one right here, Oregon grape with the yellow flowers, it's one of our native plants. Nice.
We're with Sunflower Bee Company. We have the apiary here. Currently we have 8 hives. So this is a frame of honey. This is what it looks like before it goes in the jar. The shiny, wet-looking stuff, if you will, is nectar, and that's what it looks like before the bees turn it into honey and put a cap on it, which I kind of call putting the lid on the jar.
Today for Earth Day, we have our trash sorting game, where we're inviting people flying out of SeaTac to be able to pick 3 random items and decide between trash, recycle, and compost. And where do you think that water bottle is going to go? Pick wisely. Ding, ding, ding. Perfect. Food containers, even though they might start off as a recyclable item, once food is done in them, they're no longer clean. So where do you think your food container would go? Is it trash or is it compost? Congratulations, that was compost.
A cookie! We have special SEA and Earth Day cookies. Enjoy! Happy Earth Day!